Today I'm showing you how to do display color calibration in Windows 11 to get the best screen colors. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Display Settings. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. Click on System. It's the second menu option. Then select Display from the options. Step 2. Access Advanced Display. Scroll down to Related Settings and click on Advanced Display. You'll see information about your monitor size and resolution. Step 3. Open Color Management. Click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. If you have multiple monitors, you'll see options for each one. In the window that opens, go to the Color Management tab and click the Color Management button. Step 4. Start Calibration Wizard. Go to the Advanced tab, then click on Calibrate Display. The Display Color Calibration Wizard will open. Click Next to begin. Step 5. Adjust Gamma. The first adjustment is Gamma. You'll see examples of Gamma too low, good Gamma, and Gamma too high. The goal is to make the small dots in the center circles invisible. Move the slider left or right until you can't see the dots in the middle of the circles. Once the dots disappear and blend with the background, click Next. Step 6. Adjust Brightness. Next is Brightness. You'll see examples: too dark, good brightness, and too bright. You should be able to see the SHUR and X clearly, but the X shouldn't stand out too much. Use your monitor's physical brightness buttons to adjust this, not the slider. Once satisfied, click Next. Step 7. Adjust Contrast. Now adjust contrast. Good contrast means highlights are clear and distinct. The shirt's wrinkles and buttons should be visible. Again, use your monitor's physical contrast buttons if available. Adjust until the image looks crisp and detailed. Then click Next. Step 8. Adjust Color Balance. This step removes color casts from gray bars. Move the red, green, and blue sliders until the gray bars look truly neutral, not too red, green, or blue. The bars should appear as pure gray. Click Next when you're done. Step 9. Clear Type Tuner. Check the box that says Start Clear Type Tuner when I click Finish if you want to optimize text display. Click Finish. Step 10. Optimize Text Display. The Clear Type Wizard shows 5 text samples. Click on the text sample that looks clearest and most readable to you. Click Next. Repeat this process for all 5 screens, selecting the best-looking text each time. Step 11. Complete Calibration. Click Finish on the final screen. Your display is now calibrated with optimized colors, brightness, contrast, and text clarity. Compare results. You can click Previous Calibration and Current Calibration to compare before and after. If you're happy with the new settings, keep them. If not, you can run the calibration again. And that's it. You've successfully calibrated your monitor display in Windows 11 for the best possible colors and clarity.